When will I ever get a job? I don't have a degree. How can I earn extra money? My mom gives me enough allowance for what I need, but I want to buy something that's out of the budget. I am super tired to wake up early for work. What should I do? One of everyone's dreams is to work comfortably in their homes, not going through the routine of waking up early, driving in heavy traffic, and having to pick outfits for the day. Another dream is earning a huge amount of money while being comfortable. Is that possible? Yes. There are many tried and tested ways to make money online. Let me ask you a question. Have you heard of platforms that pay $500 or more every day? You are very lucky because today we will teach you how to earn huge amounts of money working from home. If you are a student or if you don't have a job, you can try these platforms. They won't require you to have a bachelor's degree or to submit a resume. All you need to do is secure an internet connection, laptop, a tablet, or your phones. Then you can work and earn money from anywhere around the world. We will focus on earning money using these two platforms that we will introduce to you later. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be updated whenever we post new videos. Make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video because we will be sharing tips on how to earn $500 or more easily using these two websites. The first platform that we want to introduce to you is Rewardingways.com. Participating in paid market research surveys is an easy way to earn a little extra bucks. And because they pay quickly, you can have those dollars in your pocket in as little as a few hours. How do you make money online using paid surveys? You only have to create an account, register in just 30 seconds, fill out your name, username, password, email address, mailing address, and payment accounts and terms, then you can start choosing from large selections of surveys provided by the platform. So far, this platform has paid their members over $2 million. You can get paid too. They use different payment options like PayPal, Skrill, and gift cards. If you are doubtful if this is legit or not, you can click the payment proof and you will see a list of users getting their pay. Payments range from $10 to $372. You can also see on Trustpilot that 83% of people rated the site as excellent. If you're not fond of answering surveys, there are other options that you can choose. You can play games, watch videos, and complete paid trials and tasks. Here's one tip from this website. As I have said earlier, there are many other options than just doing surveys. If you like watching videos, they will offer many kinds of content, ads, and entertaining videos. But I have to say that this pays a little less than the surveys. So choose between doing surveys, taking offers, for example, signing up for a free trial of a product or website, subscribing to newsletters, or downloading an app, among other things. One thing that pays higher than most of them is joining a cash contest every 3 months. They will pick the top 20 members that will each receive a prize. The total prize is worth $1,000. The person who makes the most money on the site during that time period will receive an additional $350, with the amount decreasing until number 20 on the list receives an additional $10. Before we proceed to the next one, let me remind you to stay tuned until the end because we have another tip coming up. These platforms that we are introducing to you are applicable in any country you live around the world. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so. Click the notification bell for you to be notified of the posting of our next video. This is another platform that we would like to recommend to you. SquishyCash.com. They offer 100% free membership. You will then get paid to fill out free offers, play games, take surveys, click tasks, joining contests and promos, and earn cash back for online shopping. If you want an easier way to earn passive income, you can try out their referral system. You can refer your friends and earn 25% of their cash offer earnings and $1 per active referral. You can get your payments the next day like cash, gift cards, and other prizes via different modes of payment. They have PayPal, Visa, or get gift cards from Walmart, eBay, iTunes, Starbucks, Target, etc. What is SquishyCash all about? SquishyCash partners with marketers to pay you for doing things like signing up for free sites, completing offers, taking surveys, sampling products, and purchasing online. When you complete an action on an advertiser's website through SquishyCash, the advertiser notifies them of your completion and they'll credit your account. Advertisers will compensate them for your efforts, and they'll share their earnings with you. Receive money and rewards the next business day, and once again, earn $1 for each active referral plus 25% of their cash and chips profits. You just have to participate in their daily, weekly, and monthly contests to earn even more money. This platform was established last 2007 and has paid over $350,000 across over 290,000 members. If you are in doubt if this site is legit or not, you can always check for proofs that you can find if you scroll down a little here. According to a review by Tamil Arasan, found in Genuine Online Free Jobs, SquishyCash is a legitimate get-paid-to site that offers a wide range of money-making options. It's a free browser software that requires you to register an account and complete tasks in order to earn money. You can request payments after you reach the minimum payment level. This is how you make an account. You have to click join, which you can find above, and just for signing up, you'll get $3 and 5 chips added to your account. What you need to do is fill out all the required fields. Fill out your name, username, password, and email address. Make sure to not use an iCloud email, and make sure to use a strong password that you can remember. Then you have to fill out the mailing address, and then if you are referred by someone, you can put their email or their username on the space provided. Here's a tip on how to do the paid-to-click tasks. After you register your account, you can select Click Ads under the Earn tab in the menu bar, then click the link to start working. A page with a related website loads after you click the link. To make your click valid, select the right security code from the drop-down box and click Go. Wait for the timer on the ad page to expire, for example 20 seconds. The money promised for that ad will be promptly credited to your account after your ad click is made genuine. You will not be compensated for a click if you enter invalid code or close the website before the time limit expires. Because you've reached this part of the video, we will be giving another tip. The best opportunity to earn extra money on SquishyCash is offer wall offers. Simply go to the Earn option in the menu bar and select Offer Wall. Click any one of the offer wall to see the available offers. There will be a variety of deals beneath each offer wall, so make sure you don't miss out on any key deals that could save you a lot of money. What have you learned in today's video, financial buddies? Comment down your answers. I hope that today's video helped every one of us who's wanting to make and earn extra money. A friendly reminder, in order for it to work out, you also have to train your mind and your body to work daily and to strive harder. You won't be able to reach such goals with lazy hands. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we have new videos. You can like and share this video to your family and friends as well.